So someone's going to ask and someone's going to want to know more about that little white car. I'm not supposed to go so far into that vehicles, but I do because I'm pulling you for it, right? Now, every little fuck up I find and fix, there's a price attached to it. Yes? So the initial findings on that entire vehicle, right? That idle valve and that TPS can operate better due to the vacuum leak in the booster. If the vacuum leak in the booster is sorted out, then that will also operate a bit better. But that motor is low mileage. That motor has got krach. And when I say it's got krach, when I put my foot down in second gear at 4,000 RPM, that car spun the wheels. For a car with 170,000 kilometers on it. It's never been opened. Yes, it had a few head jobs done, but that's not calling it. You understand? You can't say it was opened. At the end of the day, that car is untempered. Ek het gekrap omdat dit 5 jaar gestaan het. That car stood 5 years. I did not know. The client informed me when he fetched the vehicle that the car stood for 5 years.